We're just coming out from an emergency Security Council meeting. Is as a result of what happened 2 days ago. It's really, really unfortunate that in our dear state, where we're doing everything to reduce crime rates, a group of miscreants will portray the state as being unsafe. We honestly feel very, very sad over this incident. As a government, we sympathize with the Nigerian police force, especially the family of Officer Bako. But we will not rest until whoever that is responsible for this act is brought to book. We have gone further to show our commitment on this particular issue by placing a bounty on the criminal and also suspended the traditional ruler of that locality. We are doing everything on our part to make sure that this matter will get to the end of it. We must get him dead or alive because we have to make a statement. River State will never be a home for criminality. I believe that the caliber of men that we have that are heading the security units of this state will do everything within their power to settle and resolve this matter as soon as possible.